I started my YouTube channel at the end of 2023. Now fast forward to today and I have a little over 500 subscribers, and I can honestly say that YouTube is changing my life. Here's how. What's up everybody, I'm Shantae, and today I will be sharing the 5 ways that YouTube has already started changing my life despite only having 500 subscribers. So let's jump right in. Okay, so the first way that YouTube has changed my life is it has given me a purpose. Now, I don't know about you, but I just feel so blessed and happy whenever I get comments like these on my YouTube channel, you know, of subscribers telling me I've inspired them or I've really helped them to overcome something. It just warms my heart so much. And I love having that community that I can come to online, because what's great about YouTube is its algorithm is really good at finding people who are interested in your content. And so it's literally going into different corners of the world and finding people who have similar interests to me and who want to achieve the same things as me. And so I now have the opportunity to build this really intimate community where we can just, you know, grow together and explore the world of YouTube together. Now, for me personally, that is the whole point. While yes, I do want to eventually start making money from my YouTube channel, the biggest thing that I want to achieve is I want to make a difference in people's lives. And YouTube is giving me the opportunity to do that. Speaking of wanting to make money from YouTube, the second way that YouTube has changed my life is it is now giving me the opportunity to sell my own digital products with my channel. So from the beginning of my YouTube journey, I knew that I didn't want to solely rely on YouTube AdSense to make money, because the reality is that once you get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, yes, you can start making money, but it's not really gonna be enough, especially in the beginning. Now, my goal with my YouTube channel is I eventually want to leave my full-time work that I'm doing for clients. And so I want to replace that income with my YouTube income. So instead, the approach that I'm gonna take, instead of only relying on YouTube AdSense, is I'm gonna sell my own digital products. And having 500 subscribers really makes that a possibility for me, because now I'm able to look at the pain points of my subscribers and really see what they're struggling with. I can ask them about it, I can make more content and see what their comments are, and that way I can figure out what digital product to make that will help them. This is exactly what my client Lisa did. So what she did is she used her YouTube channel to sell a small digital product, and she ended up making $1,000 in 1 week, even before she had reached her 4,000 watch hours. Now, if you want to see how I helped Lisa achieve this, you can download my free YouTube business blueprint. It's in the description below. So this blueprint will show you the 5 steps you need to take to grow a profitable YouTube business. So not solely relying on YouTube AdSense, but instead creating your own digital products and selling it with your channel. Okay, the third way that YouTube is changing my life is it is allowing me to grow online. So let me explain. Something that I truly love about YouTube is its longevity. Now, what I mean by this is YouTube is great for getting you views for a long time. So I've seen this with my client's channel. So as you can see, here's an example of one of her videos that keep on getting views and views over time. So you'll see, even though it started out slowly, it continues to grow and grow. And that's the beauty of YouTube, because even if you aren't necessarily going to get thousands of views immediately from your video, there's a good chance that one day that video can take off and YouTube's algorithm can push it out in front of more people. And so even though you aren't getting that instant gratification like you would on other platforms like Instagram or TikTok, YouTube is a lot better for long-term growth. Now, I don't know about you, but I personally don't like platforms where you get instant gratification and then later the post just dies. Like on Instagram, I've posted so many posts where it gets views for like 2 days and then no views at all any further. And so all of that hard work for nothing. Whereas with YouTube, yes, you do spend hours creating a YouTube video, but that YouTube video can continue to grow and bring in views for years. Okay, and the fourth way that YouTube is changing my life is it allows me to post online with less pressure. So the great thing about YouTube is that you can achieve great results without having to post every single day. This is especially the case if you're posting long form videos. YouTube Shorts is a bit of a different story because YouTube Shorts also sometimes just dies out, whereas with long form YouTube videos, they continue to grow over time. So that is what I love about YouTube. There's no pressure to get immediate views and you need to get thousands of views right now, because there is always an opportunity for the YouTube video to boom later on and start bringing in more views over time. This allows you to not have to rush constantly to get content out, because now you only have to commit to about one YouTube video per week, and you can truly just be yourself in your videos, and you're not solely relying and trying to find these trending topics that, you know, make you feel so pressured and you just don't know what to do. I am now able to, throughout the week, plan my one video, record my one video and post it. And that's it. I don't have to rely on other social media platforms where I have to post on a daily schedule and just burn myself out completely. Okay, and last but not least, the fifth way that YouTube has changed my life is it's allowed me to overcome perfectionism. So like I mentioned, I've been a content creator for 5 years now. And so with my clients, I got into this bad habit of always having to have everything perfect. Well, I guess it's not a bad habit if you're doing it for clients, but the problem if you are constantly perfectionistic with your YouTube channel is you're never going to get anything done. So even though you can make high quality content and make it as perfect as you can, there really is no such thing as perfectionism. There's always going to be room for improvement. And so I remember when I posted my very first video on YouTube, it took me weeks to release that video. I'd recorded that video like weeks before, and I just couldn't publish it because I thought, oh no, I need to improve this, or this text isn't right here and I need to add more B-roll. And at the end of the day, this costed me weeks, and I could have had that video published a lot sooner. And so with my YouTube journey, and now after I've published about 20 videos, I have now come into, this routine of, scripting, recording, editing my videos and getting it out there. I'm no longer worrying about the small details. While I still try to provide maximum value in my videos and I try to make it look good and sound good, I'm no longer stressed about making every single aspect perfect, because that just isn't, it's not going to bring you anywhere. It's not going to get you the growth that you want. Now, those were the 5 ways that YouTube has changed my life and is busy changing my life. And I'm looking forward to see the other ways it's going to change my life, because I can just imagine as my channel continues to grow, I'm going to learn new things. I'm going to push my own boundaries, and it's just going to change everything for me even more. So if you resonated with any one of these, then let me know in the comments below. Or if you have any other ways that YouTube has personally changed your life, then let me know as well. Now, as I mentioned, if you're planning on growing a YouTube business where you don't only want to rely on YouTube AdSense, then be sure to download my YouTube business blueprint down below. Like I said, it mentions the 5 steps that my client Lisa took to be able to sell a digital product and make $1,000 in 1 week from her channel. Now, if you want to learn more about the different types of digital products that you can create, I have a video all about it right over here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.